Hey, welcome back, Factory Fam. On today's episode, we're pulling the third and the second row of seats out of the Flex, possibly fixing a grill piece. Crunch time now for paint prep. Let's do this. Alright guys, so here we are. We're in the back of the Flex. Yeah, it's always so stinking dark. I gotta get a flashlight or something like that, but gosh. Hold on. Let me use my phone. This is ridiculous. Alright, flashlight's on. You guys can see. Right there. There's one. There's two. Two on each side. Gosh, it's not even that dark in here, but it looks like it is. So, right on either side of that rusty bracket. 1, 2. They're size 15s from what I see. So, we're gonna pull them out. Maybe that'll give us a little more light in there for the freaking second row, but hey. All right. Wow. So there's also 2 clips that runs the power, because this is a limited, so it does have power third row. So we'll undo those, and I think I need an impact for this. All right guys, so per the usual, I don't have the adapter for an impact, so we just got to do it manual labor style, baby. Both of those on that side are really in there. I'm having a hard time getting at them also. So maybe I'll try hopping in the car and seeing how that goes. Alright guys, so not awesome because of the power folding. Here's what the underside of the front looks like. Oh my gosh, you can't see it. Alright, let me see here. Oh, I'll try to use my phone, light on my phone again. So there's two big brackets here. I really need a light, but this is what the bottom of the seat looks like. There's a huge, another computer wiring harness setup, and then these two big brackets that are the hinges when they fold. So gonna take those out of there and try to pop the brackets off and then get these seats out. So that's the plan. I'll probably set you guys back out here because it's literally like you can't see anything. Awesome, right? Let me see if I can open this door. That is anything. At least the second row looks super easy. Looks like a couple of bolts, but who knows? It's very seldomly just that easy. So, alright. It's probably about as good as it's getting, you guys. I know it's dark. I apologize. All right, third row's out. Let's get those brackets and the second row. Alright guys, that's both rows. Gonna pop these back in again so I don't have to label them or worry about where they go later. Alright, so we're doing pretty good time-wise. We'll pop these in here quick. Alright guys, so you know how I'm always preaching bag and label. these are the bags that I got. I literally got them on Amazon. They're super cheap. 2 different sizes, you can kind of fit stuff. But yesterday, I did go ahead and take the door panels off. Caleb helped me, so I actually went to Zach's after that last night and got all these from his place where I left them. But we have all the hardware from the door panels, and so I'm gonna literally label each one and then throw the hardware in them, and then I don't have to worry about which door goes to which. It'll be perfect. All right, so we got them all labeled. Boom. Okay, now we're gonna move the seat up, see if there's any ones in the back here that I can see, and see if we can get this seat out. Aha! Okay. Another twist. Shocker, right? So hopefully you guys will be able to see this. But there's in here. Here's where the 2 bolts are on that side. Well, that bar runs all the way under the console. So somewhere in there, which you can't see because the light sucks. So yeah, I don't know. And I honestly haven't figured out how to get that center console out yet, so I guess maybe we're on to that. So give me a few minutes, I'm gonna look around in here and then we'll figure out where we're gonna go from here. All right, y'all, we're back. So what I figured out is there's actually 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here that bolts it to that support. So I'm not really sure, but we're gonna try to keep that support in there because it goes under there. I can't see where we can or cannot remove the center console, and I've pulled so much out of this car already, it's just getting overwhelming. So I'm gonna try unbolting those and see how that goes. I do have headrest DVDs, so I'm not sure how that's gonna be affected. But I will put this right there. You guys can see, so one of the bolts is right here. Alright, so seat is free. Now we can get her out of here. It was just that one big one and the headrest DVDs. So I think because there's more room, I'm going to try to take it out the back. I'm going to try to not gouge anything, which there we go. All right, so at this point, guys, we got the front seat out. We have second row, third row out. We have to leave the driver's seat because we have to drive it, obviously, and be able to move it. So that's about as far as we can go. I might try disassembling some of the dash just to see what's possible and what's not as far as us pulling it out, because I did talk to Jordan at Crafted last night about possibly doing something with the dash to match the seats, but I don't know. I'm getting worried about time here and making sure the paint gets done first. That's kind of our main priority at this point. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and end the video here. So just to recap, we got the third row seats out. We got the second row seats out. We got the passenger side front seat out. We're pretty well gutted. I'd like to get the carpet out. We can't do the carpet until we get the driver's seat out, which we need to keep in there for now. So I'm not sure when that will actually happen, but I do want to take it out and take it to a detail shop in town and get it all professionally cleaned and then put back in, because the carpet itself is not in bad shape. It's just really dirty. So I might even give it a shot, just giving it a hard vacuum and a deep clean here, and save a little money. But we'll see how much time I have. I'm running out of time. I'm running pretty thin. So yeah, but that's what we did. That's where we're going. We're actually taking the car to Zach's tonight because I will be in Portland over the weekend. So yeah. Anyway, we will probably talk to you guys again on Monday or Tuesday. Get kind of an update of what's going on with the car, see how far Zach's gotten while I was out of town, and we'll get back into it and finish up the build. Gosh, it's gonna go fast, you guys. So as always, hit the subscribe button, like, share, give us a follow, check us out on Instagram, all that jazz. And remember, build your car for you. Don't build it for somebody else online. You're the one who's got to drive it, so you better enjoy it. If you're not looking back at your car when you're going into a grocery store, you're not driving the right car. And I know she don't look like much right now, but it's all about the vision. Stay true to your guys' vision. Don't let somebody else deter you from what you understand your car to be and what you want your car to be, because that's where history's made. So hey, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Factory Fiction. Y'all have a great day. Peace.